Here I am sitting out the front of KFC. I was feeling a little bit peckish and, well, let's check the app and see if there's any deals on at the moment. Right. Oh my gosh! The $8 boxes are back! And there's 4 to choose from. There's the $8 box original recipe, the $8 box wicked wings, the $8 box original tenders, and the $8 box nuggets. I know the one I'm going to get. The one with the most coating, the one I think will weigh the most, and the one that's got the juiciest bits of chicken. The $8 original box! Let's get it. All right, here we go. The original recipe $8 box. $8 this cost. And, well, one of the reasons I got it, well, I did want to see how much it weighed. But another reason is, well, means I don't have to cook for a couple of nights. And I wanted to see what pieces I got. So let's just suss it out and see what pieces you get in an $8 original recipe box. All right, well, weight-wise, 515 grams minus the box. Surely you've got to be looking at about half a kilo KFC, right? Yes! Anyway, let's find out what pieces I got. I hope it's big breasts and thighs. Oh. What? Is there even 8 in there? Looks like it's just all scroungy wings. Anyway, let's find out. Right, well, I got one decent piece. 1. Well, that one's all right. 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Call me stupid, but shouldn't there be 8 pieces in an $8 8-piece box? Let's have a look. Oh. I am stupid. It's an $8 box, but you only get 5 pieces. Oh, if I'd known it was only 5, I wouldn't have even bothered getting it. Although I probably still would have. And I could have chosen original recipe or hot and spicy chicken. Well, that's embarrassing, isn't it? I'm glad I didn't march back in and make a fool of myself. Again. Still, it's not bad value. I mean, 6 pieces of chicken is $17.95. Although for that sort of money, you want the biggest and best pieces, wouldn't you? Not this scroungy little chicken nugget size thing. But at least it does have the original recipe coating on it. Ooh, well, let's try some. A bit dry. Pretty scroungy. Who cares? I love it. I am a little disappointed that I didn't get 8 pieces because I was going to have it for the next 3 dinners, but it looks like it's not even going to last till afternoon tea. Anyway, that's the $8 original box. Still, I think it's pretty good value. Well, if you're going to get one, you're going to love it, aren't you? Hey, of course you are. Although, which box would you got? Would you got the tenders, maybe the wings, nuggets maybe? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully I don't make a fool of myself at KFC. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are